Axxon vSaaS Data Center is a software platform that enables building your own cloud video surveillance solutions for your clients. To deploy the system, you can use your own computing infrastructure or rent it in a public cloud. You can build a hosted solution with cloud-based VMS servers. Users access the system through the web interface, mobile apps, or desktop client. The thick desktop client enables combining cameras from different sites in a single layout and using advanced features of on-premises systems such as video walls. Hybrid architecture implies on-site VMS servers that can be configured and monitored via the cloud or locally. Axxon vSaaS Data Center leverages the power of Axxonsoft's AI video analytics, including AI human and vehicle detection, human posture recognition, fire and smoke detection, face and license plate recognition, intelligent search for recorded video, and retail analytics. With custom reports, it's easy to visualize and analyze video analytics data. Role-based user rights management helps flexibly configure user rights. Combine different approaches to build your own cloud-based solutions optimized for your clients' tasks. Hosted video surveillance as a service offers low upfront expenditures, easy system scaling, and virtually zero maintenance costs. Cloud-managed VMS helps monitor and manage cameras connected to servers at remote client sites. As middleware within a third-party security system, Axxonsoft's software analyzes recorded video at the user's request, enabling smart forensic search. Keep your client's data secure with TLS 1.2 and user password hashing. Connect cameras to the cloud using the Axxon Net plugin installed on cameras, a VPN-enabled router, or a computer platform with Axxon One VMS installed. Architect, build, operate your own vSaaS solution with Axxon vSaaS Data Center.